In this video, we will show you how to do your oil change on this Dodge Ram with a 5.9 liter engine. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll do is make our way to the driver's side valve cover and we'll take off that oil cap. Give it a quick inspection and we can set this aside. At this point, we can carefully make our way underneath the vehicle. From underneath the vehicle, along the bottom of the engine, that's where you'll find your oil pan and the oil drain plug. We'll use a 16mm to drain the oil out of this. Make sure you have a collection bucket under there so you can recycle that fluid properly. Let's go ahead and clean up the area here. We'll give this a quick inspection. Now we can install our drain plug. We'll take this, start it in, and bottom it out. Let's torque this to 25 foot-pounds. Clean up our mess. Let's remove the oil filter using a large filter wrench. I'll put this on here and turn it counterclockwise. Got our collection bucket under here. Remove that oil filter. Now let's clean and inspect the area. Before you install your brand new oil filter, it's important to make sure that you prime it. What I mean by that is we'll be adding brand new oil directly into the center here. Once it starts coming out along the top, we'll take a glove finger and coat the seal. Let's get this in the vehicle. Let's install that filter. Take this and start it right on there. A little bit of oil will come out the top here, that's okay. We'll bottom that out by hand and then we'll use our oil filter wrench and just make sure it's nice and snug. Clean your mess. Over on the driver's side valve cover, we'll be continuing on with a funnel. I just want to start this in here. Now we can continue on by adding 5 quarts of 10W30 oil. After you've added all 5 quarts of 10W30, reinstall your oil cap. Now that I've run the vehicle, I'll make my way right back out here. Remove that engine oil dipstick and we'll check the oil level. What we're paying attention to is the add area right across here. You have a safe zone, and then above the safe zone, you're going to have a maximum line. You should be just below the maximum. This looks perfect. At this point, I can reinstall our engine oil dipstick.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.